Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a daily guinea pig / animal routine, how I take care of all my animals and what I do with them. So let's get on to the video. Biscuit. Chewy packages arrived. What did we order this time? Bedding arrived. Box number 2. Oops. 2 more bags. Time to take to the garage. There we go. Bedding's all stored. Time to give the piggies a treat. Half for each pig. I did wash these. I'm not giving my guinea pigs dirty strawberries. I promise. Never do that to them. Now that the strawberries are cut, time to give them to the piggies. Here you go, She. Take it. Good girl. Here you go, Molly. Molly, strawberry. There you go. 3 left for the crazies. There you go. Here you go. Take yours. That's yours. It has bedding on it. Harley, I got yours. Come here. Here you go. Sorry about that bad recording. Other one tried to bite me. All the piggies are happy. And Biscuit is looking for something. Next, I would check hay racks and food bowls. Shiggy's are full. Filled hers this morning. Well, Molly decided to flip her food bowl, which was full like 5 minutes ago before I started recording. And she ate all her hay. So we gotta fill both of these. Really, Molly? Really? This is your fault. You flipped it. You flipped it, stinker. You shouldn't have flipped your bowl. I'll try to get some off that. Don't bite me. Stop. You're so mean. Go away. Oh, what? I didn't even touch you with that. You're so dramatic. Can I get your food off the ground now? Without you trying to bite me? I'm the one that's filling your food. You're not even my guinea pig. This is my sister's guinea pig. Do you want hay? Are you sure? I don't think you want hay. I'll give you hay. Don't know why I'm giving this to you. You bit me. I'm kidding. I love you. Bye-bye. Fred's already been fed. Hi, Fred. Piggy's hay racks are full. Piggy's food bowls are full. You guys are getting everything, huh? Did you eat your strawberries? Yeah? Alright, hamsters are good on food too. Hi, cutie pie. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you like and subscribe. And if you want to see different videos, comment down below what videos you would like to see. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! So I just realized, after watching over the video, that I forgot something that I usually do. I always check their water bottles. So, this one needs to be filled. This one's good. So, fill that one. Now the video's over. Alright, say goodbye, piggies. See you guys in the next video.